What's up guys, Jed here from Locked In Off-Road, and in this video we're heading up to Wallaman Falls to go check it out on a day trip. Let's go!
Bada bing, bada boom, I'ma get it to the room. And I'm running out fast, I'ma get it out soon. Now I'm bumping that gas, y'all smoking on the fumes.
We made it. Let's go check out this waterfall. We're just at the Wallaman Falls lookout, and this place is huge. It's pretty incredible to see how powerful this waterfall is. Alright, we're going to go have a look at the walking track down at the bottom of the waterfall. I don't know if we're going to do it today because it's already 5:30. We might not have enough time. So, I don't know if we're going to do it or not. We'll see. See, that's what it says. I don't know. We're going to give a walk to the base of Mist, but we'll definitely be back. And if you haven't come here, it's definitely worth a look. We're going to head over to the day use and camping area and have a look what that's like. So we're at the day use area now. We're going to go for an explore. The campsites look real nice. We'll definitely be back here to have a camp. Found a walking track to the rock pools here. Let's go check it out. It's 6 o'clock now, and the sun's starting to go down. I think we might be walking back in the dark. I probably should have grabbed my camera light out of the car. Oops. And we made it. Not bad, not bad. I think I'll wrap it up here. We've come down to the rock pools over in the day use area. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment on the video. Click the link for merch and Instagram, Facebook, and remember, stay locked in.